If you're eligible for a VA loan but considering conventional or FHA, or maybe your loan officer told you not to use your VA loan, stop. Before you make a move that could cost you or save you tens of thousands of dollars, you need to know this. In this video, I'm comparing VA, FHA, and conventional loans side by side so you can see what's really best for your situation. And if you're a veteran, active duty, or part of a military family, hit like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. You deserve advice that's built for you. Hi, I'm Alex Ramirez, and I help military veterans and military families like yours make smarter financial decisions and fully unlock your VA loan benefits. Okay, let's get into this. Let's start with the biggest difference, the down payment. VA loan, 0% down, zero, nada, nothing. FHA, 3.5% down, minimum down payment. Conventional, usually 5% to 20% down, or maybe even more. So for a $350,000 home, VA, 0% down, FHA, $12,250 down, which is 3.5% down on that loan. Conventional, $17,500 down, which is 5% down for this example. That alone is a game changer. Okay, mortgage insurance. VA has no PMI ever. That's it. FHA requires MIP, mortgage insurance premium, upfront and monthly for the life of the loan. Upfront premium is 1.75% of the loan amount, which is financed, and the monthly mortgage insurance is 0.55% of the loan amount, which is paid monthly. And we'll get more into FHA in another video that I do in the future. On conventional, it requires PMI if you put down less than 20%, but it can be canceled once you get to a certain equity percentage. Okay, so interest rates. VA loans typically have the lowest interest rates thanks to the VA backing. FHA is competitive, but typically higher than VA, but between VA and FHA, the rates are still usually fairly close, but remember, VA doesn't have mortgage insurance. And conventional depends heavily on credit score, higher rates for lower credit, and if you put a larger down payment, then you can get a lower rate as well. And a lower rate means big savings. Even just 0.5% can equal tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Okay, and credit score requirements. VA, no official minimum credit score, but most lenders want 580 to 620 plus. FHA, minimum 580 with 3.5% down, 500 with 10% down. Conventional, minimum 620, but higher scores get you better rates. VA one-time funding fee can be waived for disabled vets, and it's financed into the loan if you pay that fee. FHA, upfront and monthly mortgage insurance adds up really fast. Conventional, no upfront fee, but PMI is applicable. And if you've gotten this far in my video, I want to let you know that I appreciate you, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos in the future. Appraisal and property standards. VA is pretty strict. The appraisal must meet minimum property requirements, but of course you want to have a property that is great. FHA, similar to VA, safe and livable standards. Conventional, it's more flexible, and they're a little better for fixer-uppers if you're looking to get one of those. And let me give you a little bit of a real cost breakdown. Let's break down the total cost of each loan over the first 5 years on a $350,000 home. VA loan, 0% down. 2.15% funding fee equals $7,525 if rolled in, no PMI, and typically a low rate. FHA loan, $12,250 down plus $6,125 in upfront mortgage insurance premium plus monthly mortgage insurance premium of $240 a month. That's over $27,000. And conventional loan, $17,500 down plus monthly PMI, which is about $150 a month. And that's over $26,000 out of pocket for a conventional loan. So who should use what? VA loan. It's ideal for eligible veterans and military families. Best overall value if you're eligible. FHA is really good for low credit buyers who don't qualify for VA, and even great for people with really good credit too. Conventional, good for buyers with strong credit and a large down payment. Or if the property doesn't qualify for FHA or VA, then conventional financing isn't too bad. And if you want to see this side-by-side comparison, go ahead and download my VA versus FHA versus conventional loan cheat sheet. I'm going to put it in the description below just so you can access it anytime. So remember, you've earned the VA benefit, use it wisely. There's a reason most veterans choose a VA loan when they learn the facts. It's built to save you money and set you up for success and build wealth.